Before buying a filament dryer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Comgrow SH02 Filament Dryer. The Comgrow Filament Dryer box caught my attention right away. Priced at $74.99, it promises to keep your filaments dry while you print. If you want efficient drying for multiple spools, this is worth a serious look. This dryer box is designed for 2 spools and features a 360 degrees PTC fast heater. What does this mean for you? The one key temperature setting for 9 filament types is a dream, making it easy to switch between materials without messing with complex settings. Plus, the built-in safety features prevent overheating, giving you peace of mind while you focus on your prints. Now, some users complained about the size being a bit bulky, which could be an issue if you have limited workspace. But here's the thing, the ability to dry 2 rolls at once can save you time and hassle, which is a huge plus for serious creators. This is perfect for you if you regularly switch between different filament types and need reliable performance. Skip this one if you're only occasionally printing and don't mind manual drying methods. For $74.99, it offers solid value for those who prioritize quality and efficiency. Now, if that size worried you, the next product I've got might actually fit better in tighter spaces. Product number 2, SUNLU S4 Filament Dryer. Next up is the SUNLU Official 3D Printer Filament Dryer S4, priced at $116.99 and boasting a capacity for 4 spools. If you want to enhance your drying efficiency while printing, this one's worth considering. The S4 features a powerful 350 WPTC heater and 3 circulation fans. Plus, with 8 filament exit holes, it's designed for multiple printers, so you won't have to worry about tangled wires while printing. The adjustable settings allow you to customize the temperature from 35-70 degrees C and the timer up to 99 hours, which is super handy for various filament conditions. Some users noted that it can be a little noisy due to the fans, which can be distracting if you're in a quiet environment. But honestly, the trade-off for consistent results makes it worth it for most. This is perfect for you if you run multiple printers or often work with different materials. Skip this one if you're just a casual printer or if noise is a big concern for you. With great features and a solid build, it's a good investment for serious hobbyists. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something more budget-friendly. Product number 3, Comgrow Filament Dryer Box. Coming in at $43.99, we have the Comgrow 3D Printer Filament Dryer Box. This caught my eye for its affordability and functionality. If your budget is tight but you still need to keep your filaments dry, this is a great option to consider. This dryer box can handle 2 rolls of filament and is compatible with both PLA and ABS. It offers real-time temperature and humidity monitoring, which is essential for ensuring your filaments are in optimal condition. The adjustable settings allow you to set the temperature up to 50 degrees C, which is sufficient for most filaments. I love that it has a simple design and is easy to operate, making it accessible even for beginners. However, some users have mentioned that the heating might be slower compared to more expensive models. Here's the thing though, if you're not in a rush, this can still effectively do the job without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're just starting with 3D printing and want to maintain filament quality without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you require faster drying times or are dealing with high humidity frequently. For $43.99, it's a fantastic value for entry-level users. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more advanced without going overboard in price, the next product is one to consider. Product number 4, SUNLU S1 Plus Filament Dryer. Next, we have the SUNLU Filament Dryer Box for $37.99. This model is particularly appealing if you're looking for something compact yet effective. If you want a dryer that keeps your filaments in check without taking up too much space, this could be the one for you. The S1 Plus includes a built-in fan that helps speed up the drying process. This is essential for preventing issues like stringing and clogging, which can ruin your prints. With a temperature range from 35 degrees C to 55 degrees C and an easy-to-read LCD display, you can keep a close eye on your filaments. Plus, the adjustable settings allow you to tailor the drying process based on your specific needs. Some reviews mention that the maximum capacity might not be sufficient for larger spools, which can be limiting. But honestly, for those with standard spool sizes, this remains a solid choice without the bulk. This is perfect for you if you're limited on space but still need a reliable drying solution. Skip this one if you have larger 3D printer filaments or need to dry multiple spools at once. For $37.99, it's a budget-friendly alternative that delivers on functionality. Now, if you want a reliable option with a bit more capacity, the final product on our list is worth looking into. Product number 5, SUNLU Official Filament Dryer S1 Plus. Finally, we have the SUNLU Official Filament Dryer S1 Plus priced at $32.29. This one's a steal if you're seeking something affordable while still being effective. If you're just getting into 3D printing and need a reliable dryer, this is a fantastic entry point. The S1 Plus is designed to reduce the risks of poor printing caused by wet filament. It offers personalized settings for both temperature and drying time, ensuring you can cater to different filament types easily. The user-friendly design with a large LCD monitor makes it simple to monitor your settings, and it operates quietly too, which is a definite plus. Some customers have pointed out that while it works well, it doesn't handle larger spools effectively. But I'll be real with you. For most everyday users, it does the job well enough without the need for larger capacities. This is perfect for you if you're new to 3D printing or need something that won't take up too much space. Skip this one if you regularly work with large spools or need higher drying capacity. At $32.29, it's a great value for beginners or hobbyists looking to maintain filament quality. In conclusion, each of these dryers brings something unique to the table, whether it's efficiency, capacity, or price. If you're serious about your 3D printing game, investing in one of these can make a world of difference. To recap, we've covered some fantastic options, from the Comgrow SH02 for serious users to the budget-friendly SUNLU S1 Plus for beginners. Each one brings unique features to help keep your filaments dry and your prints flawless. No matter your budget or needs, there's definitely a filament dryer here that fits your 3D printing lifestyle.